Speaker, sir, I rise to speak on the motion, the demands of the state before the day. Speaker, sir, पयली स्वातीन हांव Honorable Mantrik thank you म्हणूंक सोदता कारण we are nearing the completion of the underground cabling of high tension in the constituency of Mapsa. जायते लोकांक ह्या वर्सा मोठो फायदो दिसपाक आयला with the implementation of the underground cabling. We have seen a lot of rain over the last couple of weeks, and we have seen a steady supply of power from the department. Nonetheless, there are fluctuations and there are minor issues, but म्हाका दिसता the department engineers and the entire staff will take up the matter. Speaker, sir, I would like to mention that around 10% of the work is pending of the underground cabling, which also includes high tension and low tension in the wards of Mapsa Municipal Council, ward number 9 to be specific, and parts of 19. There are roads which are dug up which permission has not been taken for. And जेन्ना आमी विचारपाक गेल्यार who will restore these roads, there doesn't seem to be any clear answer. I would like the Honorable Minister to take a note and to assure the people of Mapsa that whatever roads that are damaged, which are not in the restoration tender, may be considered. कारण ते पावस सोंपलो उपरांत ते रस्ते कशे जातले आनी केन्ना जातले ते आमकां लोकांक आश्वासन दिवपाक गॅरंटी ना. Speaker, sir, I would like to also ask the Honorable Minister for Power की उरलेले low tension जे second phase in घेवपाचे आसा ते केन्ना जातले काय. As we have already spent 120 crores for high tension, एक low tensionaचोय tender pending आसा. म्हाका assurance दिल्लेले आहा, but परत लोकां खातीर तेणे परत एक assurance दिवचे. Speaker, sir, street light एक मेजर इश्यू जावन आसा आनी फाटले 3 वर्सां आमी मागता की उत्तर गोंय खातीर एक मेंटेनन्स सेंटर आसचें म्हणून. ते मिनिस्टरानूय सांगचें ते केन्ना जातलें. स्पीकर सर, आमकां एक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट म्हापसा, when I was MLA during my first tenure, there was a proposal approved. Bab Nilesh Kabral was the minister at the time, and that building is supposed to be situated at the substation in Ganeshpuri. त्या बिल्डिंगेचेर केन्ना तें काम चालू जातलें तें आश्वासन आमकां मंत्रीन दिवचें. स्पीकर सर, with regards to renewable energy, म्हाका दिसता जायते मेंबरांनी उलयलें आहा. We have to be the example to give the confidence to the public that आमी जर करता जाल्यार लोकांनी करचें. And I urge the Honorable Minister to assure that at least 50% of the government buildings should have the solar panels, if not any other source of renewable energy. Thank you, Speaker, sir.